Hi, my name is Mark Hagen. I'm an editor here with Taste of Home. And one of my favorite, most classic, easiest desserts to make is a cake. The problem is, it's kind of hard to decide when that cake is ready to come out of the oven. So today I'm going to show you 3 foolproof ways to test the doneness of a layer cake, a foam cake, and my personal favorite, a cheesecake. When baking a layer cake, all you really need to do is the toothpick test. You're simply going to open up the oven door, take a toothpick, and gently insert it in the center of your layer cake. If that toothpick comes out perfectly clean like this, that means that your cake is done and you're ready to prepare it for the next step. If the toothpick comes out with some crumbs on it or is a little bit gummy, you're gonna need to leave that cake in the oven for a little bit longer. Another secret when you're making a sheet or any kind of a layer cake is to look at the edges of the cake. If it starts to pull away from the pan a little bit, you know that cake is ready to come out of the oven. Now let's talk about foam cakes, such as sponge cakes or angel food cakes. You know when these are done when the rough edges feel dry to the touch. But what you really want to do is take your finger and simply gently press down on the cake, and it should spring back relatively quickly. That's how you know that the cake is done. So I'm simply going to turn it over to cool for 1.5 to 2 hours. Now let's talk about cheesecakes. While these desserts are high on the yum factor, it can be a little bit difficult to tell when they're done. We like to do a wobble test. Simply take a spoon and gently wrap it on the side of the cheesecake pan. If you see ripples carry throughout the cheesecake, sort of like a stone being dropped into a pail of water, you know that cheesecake needs to sit in the oven a little bit longer. However, if the cheesecake wobbles all in unison to one side or the other, then you know that cheesecake is ready to come out of the oven and cool. And there you have it, 3 foolproof ways to test your cake for doneness. I'm Mark Hagen for Taste of Home. We'll see you next time.